this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 7252. It's ran from the 6th 2015 to the 1st 2021. It's a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 19-inch factory made tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory made tyre, rear tailgate, right hand taillight has a small sun crack, right rear 19-inch factory made tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 19-inch factory aluminum tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front getters light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,